Hi everyone. In the news this week, the Hubble Space Telescope revisits one of its most famous photos. The most Earth-like planet's been found around another star, and finally scientists have found new ways of creating antibiotics. This is your weekly science news with me, the UK astronaut. So the NASA Hubble Space Telescope has revisited one of its most famous photos of all time, that of the Eagle Nebula. The Eagle Nebula is a big cloud of gas around 7,000 light years away from us. In this big cloud of gas, lots of stars are forming and joining the hundreds of stars that already exist there. One of the most famous things about the Eagle Nebula is something called the pillars of creation. And these are large pillars of gas that are within this giant nebula, and they look really incredible. And within these pillars, lots and lots of stars are forming the really dense gas. The original photos were taken in 1995, so you can see the incredible advancements we've had in taking photos and analysing these photos in the last 20 years to get some really incredible improvements on the images we can take. So the NASA Kepler mission has found a new candidate for the most Earth-like planet around another star in the universe. The planet hunting satellite found 8 new planets this week, 3 of which are in the habitable zones around their stars, meaning they get the right amount of light and heat. But the one planet in question, 438b, is the most Earth-like planet we've found. It gets the same amount of heat as Earth roughly, and also roughly the same amount of gravity as well on its surface. Now it's unlikely we're going to be able to visit this planet very soon, but it does make us understand a bit more about the different types of planets out there, and understand a bit more about which planets might be habitable and may have life on them. So scientists think they may have had a breakthrough in the search for new antibiotics. Antibiotics are used to cure bacterial infections in humans and in animals, but the problem is we're starting to become resistant to them and they're not having as much effect anymore as they used to. And we haven't been discovering new antibiotics for several decades now, so we're beginning to run out of ones we can use. The scientists have been studying bacteria that's in soil, and they've been managed to breed this bacteria. And the really good thing is that this bacteria can be used as an antibiotic. Since then they've found 25 new types of antibiotic by breeding these bacteria in soil, and scientists think this is just the tip of the iceberg. So it may solve the crisis of not enough antibiotics. Thank you very much for watching. That was your weekly science news. Don't forget to check out the rest of my videos and like and subscribe to my channel, and check me out on Twitter at UKAstroNut. But otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon.